Good morning, students. We have till now understood the detail of gravitational acceleration in this chapter. Now, that was the first part completed. Now, in the second part, we have 4 gravitational quantities, and after having the idea about these 4 quantities, we will have the comparison table of these quantities, their formulas, nature, etc. So let us begin with the first quantity, intensity of gravitational field. In this sheet, we are going to introduce a new quantity, that is gravitational field. It is denoted as E, capital E. Now, as we have already studied about magnetic poles or the bar magnet, so bar magnet is having 2 poles, north pole and south pole, and around this bar magnet, anywhere if we bring any other magnet, then the poles of the other magnet show attraction or repulsion. Like north and north repel, north and south attract each other. So that means around any magnet there is a region where the other magnet will experience the effect. So that region is called their magnetic field. In the same manner, in this chapter we have the source as mass. So whenever we are around any mass means material body. So whenever we are around any mass, the region around any mass is called gravitational field, where any other mass can feel the gravitational attraction. Now here attraction only, no repulsion, because gravity property is only about attraction. So the gravitational field is the region around any mass. How to find this field's intensity or the strength? So numerically it is noted as capital E, and its basic formula is force per unit test mass. Now what is the meaning of test mass? That let us understand with the help of the given diagram. We are given already a mass that is called source mass, that is capital M. Suppose we want to find that what field it is generating, that means what gravitational field it is generating. So this gravitational field can be found out if we enter any other mass in this region. So the mass which we are entering, small m, that is called test mass. So as soon as we will enter the test mass in this region, this test mass is going to experience a gravitational force of attraction. So force per unit test mass is called the field. So the gravitational field is the property of the source mass given. So this way we find the gravitational field.